Linux Mint has long been one of the most popular Linux distributions for both beginners and experienced users. And with the arrival of Linux Mint 22.3, the project continues its tradition of delivering a stable, polished, and user-friendly desktop experience. While Linux Mint is not known for making dramatic changes every release, it focuses on refining the user experience, improving performance, enhancing security, and introducing practical features that make everyday computing better. In this video, we're going to explore the top new features in Linux Mint 22.3 and see why this release is generating so much excitement among Linux users. One of the biggest highlights in Linux Mint 22.3 is the inclusion of the latest Cinnamon desktop environment. Cinnamon continues to be one of the most refined desktop environments available in the Linux ecosystem, and version 6.6 brings several improvements that make the desktop feel more modern and responsive. Users will notice smoother interactions, better visual consistency, and numerous small enhancements throughout the interface. The developers have spent considerable time refining animations, improving desktop responsiveness, and making sure the user experience remains intuitive. These improvements may seem subtle at first glance, but they contribute significantly to making the operating system feel polished and professional. Another important feature in Linux Mint 22.3 is the enhancement of the file management experience through updates to the Nemo file manager. Nemo has always been one of Linux Mint's strongest applications, offering a clean and powerful way to manage files and folders. In this release, users can expect better performance when navigating large directories, improved search capabilities, and refinements that make file operations faster and more reliable. Whether you're organizing documents, moving media files, or working with development projects containing thousands of files, Nemo delivers a smoother and more efficient experience. These changes help ensure that everyday tasks remain fast and frustration-free. The third major feature comes in the form of improved theme integration and visual refinement. Linux Mint 22.3 introduces updates to its default themes, icons, and interface elements. The goal is not to completely redesign the desktop, but to improve visual consistency and make the environment feel more cohesive. Buttons, menus, notifications, and dialog boxes have received attention from the design team, resulting in a cleaner appearance across the entire system. The updated visual experience helps Linux Mint maintain its reputation as one of the most attractive and approachable Linux distributions available. New users coming from Windows often appreciate the familiar layout combined with a modern and elegant appearance. Another standout feature is the ongoing improvement of Wayland support. Although Linux Mint traditionally relies on the X11 display server for maximum compatibility and stability, the development team continues to prepare for the future by improving Wayland compatibility. Linux Mint 22.3 includes additional work aimed at ensuring applications, drivers, and desktop components function more effectively under Wayland sessions. This is important because Wayland is becoming the standard display protocol across the Linux world. While many users may continue using X11 for now, the improvements made in this release demonstrate the project's commitment to future technologies while maintaining the stability that Linux Mint users expect. The fifth major feature is enhanced hardware support. Linux Mint 22.3 is built on a modern Ubuntu LTS foundation, which means users benefit from newer kernels, updated drivers, and expanded hardware compatibility. Whether you're installing Linux Mint on a brand new laptop, a custom-built desktop, or even older hardware, the system is better equipped to detect and support devices out of the box. Improvements to graphics drivers, wireless networking support, Bluetooth compatibility, and power management make Linux Mint 22.3 more versatile than previous versions. For users considering switching from Windows, this means fewer setup headaches and a smoother installation experience. Security and system reliability also receive significant attention in Linux Mint 22.3, making this the sixth major feature worth discussing. The Linux Mint team continues to focus heavily on delivering a secure operating system without overwhelming users with complexity. Updates to system components, security patches, package management tools, and underlying software libraries help protect users against known vulnerabilities. The Update Manager remains one of Linux Mint's strongest tools, providing a straightforward way to keep the system current and secure. Unlike some operating systems that force updates at inconvenient times, Linux Mint gives users greater control over when and how updates are installed, while still encouraging good security practices. The seventh and perhaps most important feature is the collection of improvements made to Linux Mint's core applications and user tools. Linux Mint has always distinguished itself through its custom-developed applications, and version 22.3 continues that tradition. Utilities such as Software Manager, Update Manager, Backup Tool, Driver Manager, and System Reports have all received refinements aimed at improving usability and reliability. The Software Manager offers a smoother experience when searching for applications and installing software. Driver Manager makes it easier to identify and install proprietary drivers when needed. Backup tools help users protect their important files, while system reporting tools provide clearer information when troubleshooting issues. These applications may not grab headlines, but they play a crucial role in making Linux Mint one of the most beginner-friendly Linux distributions available. Beyond these 7 major features, Linux Mint 22.3 benefits from countless under-the-hood optimizations that improve the overall user experience. Performance tuning throughout the operating system helps applications launch faster and run more smoothly. Memory management improvements contribute to better responsiveness during multitasking. System stability enhancements reduce the likelihood of crashes and unexpected behavior. These improvements often go unnoticed because they work quietly in the background, but they have a significant impact on day-to-day usability. One area where Linux Mint continues to excel is its commitment to maintaining a familiar desktop experience. In a technology world where many operating systems frequently redesign interfaces and alter workflows, Linux Mint remains focused on consistency. Users upgrading from previous Linux Mint releases will feel right at home with version 22.3. Existing workflows remain intact, settings are easy to find, and the desktop environment remains comfortable and predictable. This consistency is one of the primary reasons many users choose Linux Mint over other distributions. For users migrating from Windows 10 as support deadlines approach, Linux Mint 22.3 arrives at an ideal time. The operating system provides a familiar desktop layout featuring a taskbar, application menu, system tray, and desktop icons. Combined with strong hardware support and easy software installation, Linux Mint offers a compelling alternative for users looking to extend the life of their computers without purchasing new hardware. The improvements included in version 22.3 make that transition even easier. Content creators, students, professionals, and casual users will all find something to appreciate in this release. The updated desktop environment provides a comfortable workspace for productivity. Improved file management makes handling documents and media files more efficient. Enhanced hardware support ensures compatibility with a wide range of devices. Better security protections help safeguard personal information, while updated applications streamline common tasks. Linux Mint's development philosophy has always emphasized quality over flashy innovation, and Linux Mint 22.3 perfectly reflects that approach. Rather than introducing experimental features that could compromise stability, the development team focuses on careful refinement and practical improvements. Every update serves a purpose, and every change is designed to make the operating system more reliable, more efficient, and more enjoyable to use. As Linux continues gaining popularity among desktop users, distributions like Linux Mint play a critical role in making the platform accessible to everyone. Linux Mint 22.3 demonstrates that you don't need radical changes to create a meaningful upgrade. Through improvements to Cinnamon 6.6, Nemo file management, visual design, Wayland readiness, hardware support, security, and core system tools, this release delivers a well-rounded package that enhances nearly every aspect of the user experience. Whether you're already a Linux Mint user planning an upgrade or someone considering Linux for the first time, Linux Mint 22.3 stands out as one of the best desktop Linux releases available today. It combines stability, performance, ease of use, and modern features into a package that feels mature and dependable. The top 7 new features we've discussed today showcase the project's dedication to continuous improvement and user satisfaction. Linux Mint 22.3 may not reinvent the desktop, but it makes an already excellent operating system even better, and that's exactly why so many users continue to trust Linux Mint as their daily computing platform.